your glasses with them as we toast to Raquel and Michael. May their love continue to grow. May their love continue to grow stronger with each passing year, and may their journey together be filled with happiness, laughter, and unwavering love. To be to the happy couple. Let's toast for it. Cheers! Congratulations!
Ang daming binigay nila. Yay! Ganon, ganon, no!
Balik. Right.
After drinking the wine, kiss the bride.
Ang daming nalagay sa akin na.
Ay, matamis.
Yay!
Cake.
Kunya na.
And now it's time for one of the sweetest traditions for this afternoon, the cutting of the wedding cake. Raquel and Michael, please.
Sana si
Slice
Aileen.
the cake.
Aileen!
Yung alam mo kung anong size na.
Ay, hindi. Dalawa lang sila dapat. Sa baba, sa baba. Oo, sa baba.
Meron, meron, meron.
Ano yan? Cake lahat yan o fake?
Cake yan, cake.
Cake lahat, ah.
Meron ba? Oh! Ito pa, oh. Meron na yung live. Meron na, oh, doon. Oh.
Meron na dun.
Sorry.
Am I supposed to feed her some?
Don't put it in her face.
Too nice. Oh, we're using
But she can to you, of course.
Big.
Magsubuan kayo?
Kailan to?
Ah, yan.
There you go, Mike.
After eating the cake, both families get ready. Groom and bride families get ready.
Ano na?
No, he was asked not to cut off water. What are we doing now?
Want to go?
Come on, Mom, sing me a song.